In at 117.2 pounds, he has a record of 8 wins, 1 loss. 8 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Ringmaster Boxing Gym, Davao City. Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Faculari. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 117.2 pounds. He has a record of 9 wins, 1 loss, 6 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Peñalosa Boxing Team, Better Living, Parañaque City. Ladies and gentlemen, the defending champion, WBC Asia Continental Bantamweight Champion, Noe James Makila.
All time, train my command, and don't do any foul. Very good luck.
Okay, round number 1 tayo between Jason Faculari and Noe James Makilan for WBC Asia Continental Bantamweight title. Si Makilan yung naka red gloves, black naman si Faculari. 12 rounds of boxing. Ang defending champion po dito ay si Makilan.
Ingat tol, ingat. May power tol.
Good exchange by both fighter, ha. Parehas mabigat ang kamay nito. Ito si Faculari is 8 wins, all by knockout. Habang 9 wins naman si Makilan, 6 by knockout. Good body shot. Good atake dito si Faculari.
Kita mo sino ka? Yes. Ingat tol, may power tol.
Atake na naman si Faculari. Okay, round number 2 tayo. Round number 2 na. Underestimate ka lang ka. Kanino ba tayo kanina dapat dito? Ayan, talaga kasi ako. Nice! Nice!
Oh!
Oh, nakatama na maganda. Ako na rin. Ay! Nakatama rin. Gumaganda na, gumaganda na. Okay. Round number 3 na tayo.
Ano na kasi siya, may pasapa-pasa.
Oh, round 3 na to, round 3. Round 3 na, round 3.
Galing yan eh.
Hindi, sa ano kasi natagtagan na lang sa ano lang. May power! Bomba na lang!
Ating yan tubig
Stick sa gitna nun! Nun, higit sa gitna lang nun!
Pares tayo.
Nun, puso nun! Mama, hospital na naman yan.
Pare yan. Bumibigay.
Maulit, kapatay niyo yung pinsan ko. Di maulit.
Ay, tumama, tumama! Tumama si Makilan dito. At unsteady feet niya dito. Si Pakularin. Ito siya sabi natin, parehas matibay ito. At ito na, sumusugod na. Oy, gumaganda na. Okay, round number 4 na to. Atake na rito si Nolly James Makilan. Bawi naman si Pakularin dito. Oh, good uppercut by Pakularin. Good uppercut. Good exchange by both fighter. Good left. Good 1-2 by Pakularin. Kinorner niya si Makilan. Good counter left by Nolly James Makilan. Na top balance ng konti itong si Pakularin. Parehas nakatama na maganda. Good job by Pacularin. Good left by Makilan. Another left by Makilan. Good counter right by Makilan. Unti-unti na pong nakukuha ni Makilan yung tempo. Good left. Good 1-2 by Pacularin.
Baba mo pa ang kasi.
Good double job. Good job.
Ayan sila.
Good job so far para kay Pacularin. Oh, bawi naman si Pacularin. Si Makilan. Good counter left. Good exchange by both fighter. Umatake rin sa Pacularin. Good left by Makilan. So good si Pacularin. Sumasayaw-sayaw lang dito si Makilan 10 seconds remaining. Okay, round number 5. Good counter by Makilan. Utaw atake agad dito. Nahilo ng konti si Pacularin. Good uppercut again. Oh! Another combination, bawi si Pacularin. Good left by Makilan. Another straight by Makilan. Pero nandito pa rin si Pacularin. Good uppercut. Uppercut again. Good left by Pacularin. Bawian sila rito. Another uppercut by Makilan. Oy, good counter left. Another 1-2 by Makilan. Mukhang nakakamoy na nakakaamoy na ata ito si Makilan. 1-2 combination. Good uppercut again. Bawi naman si Pacularin.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have an open scoring in the 4th round. Advised by the WBC Asian Boxing Council. Here are the scores of the 3 judges. Judge A scored it 39-37. Judge B scored it 14-36. Judge C scored it 39-37 for the challenger.
Good. Good shot. Ay! Ay! Good 1-2! Baksak! Si Pacularin. At din sabi natin, tarsik yung mouthpiece sa labas na ring. Nako, ang lakas nun. Oh, yung mouthpiece. Bigay agad. Ito na. Grabe. Ang lakas nun. Ang lakas. Tingnan natin kung paano magre-recover. Ito si Pacularin. Lamang po sa scorecard si Pacularin, mga idol ha. Tingnan natin at mukhang hindi pa nakaka-recover. si Pacularin. Atake na rito si Makilan. Grabe. What a fight between these two boxers natin. Grabe. Good 1-2 again. Oh, another shot by Makilan. Oh, pilo. Oh, nahilo. Okay, round number 6 po tayo. So far, 6-6. So far, meron po tayong knockdown kanina sa round number 5. Tingnan natin kung paano adjustment gagawin ni Pacularin dito. Good. Nakatama na naman si Makilan. Oh, another 1-2 by Makilan, pero nakatama rin si Pacularin doon. Parang inuunti-unti na ni Makilan itong si Pacularin. Good job by Pacularin. Bawi naman si Makilan.
Wala sila bang? Walang sabot sila Pacularin.
Nakatama rin si Pacularin, ha? One minute. So dito, uppercut na naman si Makilan. Good left by Makilan. Good job by Pacularin. Good straight by Makilan. Nakatama na naman. Good uppercut. Si Pacularin dito, nakatama siya rito. Bawi naman si Makilan. Round 7 na tayo. Ang bilis. Good left uppercut by Pacularin. Bawi naman si Makilan. One, two by Pacularin. Uppercut by Makilan. Good exchange by both fighter. Oh, good shot by Pacularin. Tumama siya ron. Good job by both fighter. Good counter by Pacularin. One, two, three. Ba, dinidilaan pa yung gloves, ha? Good uppercut by Makilan. Atake siya rito. Grabe. Parang hindi niya iniinda yung suntok ni Pacularin dito. Heavy handed dito si Pacularin, pero kita mo dinidila-dilaan lang ni good shot, good 1-2 by Makilan. Oh, another right by Makilan, medyo malakas yan. Good 1-2 by Pacularin. Good looping right by Makilan. Tumama na naman siya ron. At ito, rogi na naman, talsik na naman ang mouthpiece. Sige, diretso. Talsik tayo. Good uppercut by both fighter. Good job. Good combination by Pacularin. Good combination. Right. Okay, round number 8 for WBC Asia Continental Bantamweight title between Nolly James Makilan, the champion, and Jason Pacularin, the challenger. Good job. Atake rito si Pacularin. Oh, good shot by Pacularin.
Pero hindi pa naman daw siya magsasara.
Bakit?
Siyempre.
Good. 1-2.
Hindi naman nakakilala.
Upos lang ba? Ano nang dala sa iya? Counter lang ba?
Good. Another shot. Good exchange by both fighter. Good shot by Pacularin. Another combination by Pacularin. Susubukan niya rito. Good shot again by Pacularin. Maganda na yung laban. Good shot by Makilan. Balik naman siya rito. Good. Left back. Oop! Nakatama na naman. Okay, round number 9 tayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, We have the scores here by the three judges. Judge A scored it 76-75 as the advice of the double.
Ano lang? Counter lang.
Okay, balik tayo. Bigay na naman sila rito. Okay, round number 10 na tayo.
Last round na yun pa?
Dalawa pa. May chance nga lang.
Ilang rounds ko yan?
Dalawa. Round number 10 na.
Kung matras, champion ka pa naman.
Good exchange by both fighters. Good shot by Makilan. Nakatag-balance na naman ng bagya si Pakularin dito. Good 1-2 again by Makilan.
Dilaan mo yung dugo nun. Ang balakas mo.
Okay, balik tayo. counter left hook. Baksak na naman si Pacularin. What a shot. What a counter left by Noli James Makilan. Nako. Unsteady na. Pinapapunta siya na referee. Save by the bell na naman.
Hindi na pwede. Magpapalpitate ka na. Hindi na pwede. Bawal na.
Hawakan mo, Be. Push mo.
Down si Makajor Wu. Seconds of the 11th round. Winner by TKO.